Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick video of the latest release of 1.0.0.4 beta. I'm just going to sign in and kind of show you from scratch. So now when you log in, there's this new home screen. Previously it was the projects, but this home screen will allow you to do things like pin projects that you have. So in my projects route, I actually have multiple projects here, but skeleton navigation, app contacts, sample chart, and random users. These are all sample projects that each of you get when you sign up and create an account. This is the ability to do something like a quick launch, so you can just click on it and it'll actually test your app or your project from that perspective, and you can do that with each of these moving forward. I'm going to create an API so that you can actually add whatever projects you have so that you can quick launch them as well. I use this just to show clients or customers, and just a quick way to launch and test it to make sure that everything's working properly. So more than anything else, it's just something new that's been added, and hopefully a placeholder that we can put announcements or pin things, do things that make sense. A couple other things that have been added. Some of the biggest things have been if you're in a file and you were like editing it or modifying it, in this view it didn't show you what the file was as selected. We always saw it up here, but we didn't see it here. So that's nice that we have that finally in place. It's always been over here, and in this one, if you selected a folder or something like that, just so you knew where to drag and drop your files. But we have that now. The other thing is, if you refresh your browser, it is smart enough now to auto-expand the tree and select that file. Previously you didn't have that, and it just was collapsed and kind of frustrating. So those are some two kind of usability features that hopefully will make life a lot easier for you guys. A lot of work has been done with the editor itself, the Monaco editor, just to make it friendlier. Some of these are, say for example, just have a control example. I now have experimental decorators turned on. Before you would get a squiggly with any of the decorators that we're using, so now that's all turned on. Again, just to make your development process smoother and less headache of seeing things that are just are a nuisance. So another thing here is that's been changed or it's been worked on is when dealing with the DOM tree had an issue if you were actually working on a file that was a custom element, had the same name as a custom element, because out here there's a tab control that hosts FrontEnd Creator, and then inside the designer surface I was working on one. So that's been corrected so that it works properly and everything is in a better state. Let me see, what else do we have that has been just some minor bug fixes. The paths, this area has been lengthened so that these two areas collapse to fill the content if you have a really long path like we have here. And again, just the majority of it is just bug fixes, trying to get this to work in a way that you'd want it to. With this example here, if you were to save a file, this would disappear and go away. That is no longer the case. That now actually works properly and behaves like it should. I can show you a quick example of that. Maybe I'll go to page 1 and just show you that I'm adding content. When I save this, instead of refreshing the whole tree, it just refreshes now the preview. It will refresh the tree and auto expand and highlight if you're creating a brand new file, because the URI will actually change. But otherwise, it should just stay the same. And that is true for switching files now. It was kind of painful because it was trying to update and refresh and do all this and collapsing. And so it really doesn't need to change the preview unless you actually modify a file or add something to the project, like adding a new file. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of what we have as far as improvements or just stability, making it a little bit more user friendly, as well as testing. I can actually have multiple things, and again, just trying to show just different options and things that you can do with it. So more than anything else, I just wanted to show you some of the new features, the new capabilities within FrontEnd Creator. Shoring it up, trying to keep it as clean as possible. The majority of the work now will be bug fixes. Anytime you resize the browser, anytime you toggle this, the Monaco editor now calls layout, which will automatically try to resize. This, if you saw for a second there, it gets smaller and then it responds to it. So just little things like that, just trying to make the editor cleaner and better. So hopefully you like this. I'd love to hear some feedback, and I appreciate you taking the time to watch.